guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in my bathroom again because I wanted to share a really natural makeup look that you can wear almost every day. I pretty much wear this look almost every day. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, it's very subtle and natural, and I'll be sharing some of the items that I have from Beautycounter. So right now I have absolutely no makeup on my face. All I have on right now is this Counter Match Eye Rescue Cream. As you can see, it's almost all gone. So I use this almost every day, every morning, every night when I wake up. When I wake up in the morning and before I go to bed, I am putting on this Beautycounter Eye Rescue Cream, and it really does help with the puffiness and the dark circles. So yeah, I have nothing on my face right now, and it really does help with the puffiness. So you see, I use it a lot and it really does work. So that's what I have on my eyes. And then I have on the Intense Moisture Serum. So this is Beautycounter's Intense Moisture Serum. It's infused with 2 forms of hyaluronic acid. And the serum also delivers hydration for youthful looking skin in the morning. So I put this on in the morning and at night. So this is Beautycounter's Intense Moisture Serum. I hope you can see that okay. So that's the serum that I have on, and then I also have on the Counter Match Adaptive Moisture Lotion. So this is a really lightweight lotion. It provides up to 24 hours of hydration and adapts to the skin throughout the day for a smooth, radiant glow. So that's all I have on my face now. I washed my face. I just have on my Eye Rescue Cream and the Intense Moisture Serum and the Adaptive Moisture Lotion. So those are the 3 things that I have on for my skin. So natural face is great, but I also like to wear a little bit of concealer and a little bit of loose powder. So I have Beautycounter's loose powder, translucent powder that I'm going to put on. I have the Beyond Gloss. I shared about their glosses, the new glosses on my last video trying on the different shades. Right now I love Brulee because it's a really natural tone. I'm really all about natural looks. And then I have just the brow pencil. It has this cute brush to brush your eyebrows, and I have mine in dark. So I have the brow pencil in dark, and that's the color. That's the color. And I also have Beautycounter's volumizing mascara. So I have their volumizing mascara that I'm going to put on, and their brand new Skin Twin Creamy Concealer. So this is the brand new concealer that they have. It has brand new packaging. So this is the new packaging that Beautycounter's concealer looks like. I have the shade Tan 3, but this is the new concealer. They have way more shades, a lot more shades than the old concealer pen that we had before. We had the concealer pen, but now it comes in this cute little dispenser, and we had a few issues with the pen not dispensing properly. So this is the new concealer that I'm going to share with you. So I just wanted to share that. But so my everyday look, I'll just put on a few dabs of concealer. I'll do maybe 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'll put some down my nose and a few on my forehead. So that's pretty much the concealer that I'll put on, and then I'll blend it. We do have these beauty blenders available, but I just use my fingers, and I just blend it in just to kind of cover up the darkness. And the new concealer I really like. The other one that had the dispenser pen, it was kind of a very creamy texture. This one seems more matte. This one seems more matte. I know you're not supposed to rub, you're supposed to pat. But this one, it's more matte than the last concealer that we had. So I just blend that in, go down my nose, down my smile lines. And if you have a beauty blender, that's great. I'm just not a big makeup girl, but I'm very subtle with the makeup. But a beauty blender would be great to use if you have that, but I just blend it in like this. Blend it down my nose, the corners of my mouth, and under my chin. And so I just kind of make sure it's smooth all over my face. There. So that's just the concealer with the moisturizer. That's all I have on, just the concealer now. And then I'll go in with this brow pencil. So this is the brow pencil I was telling you about. I just pencil that in just to cover up the little areas where I don't have a lot of hair. And again, I always say I'm not a makeup YouTuber by any means, but this is just my super natural, quick. You can literally do this in 5 minutes before you leave the house, or just when you're just at home. So just filling in the little spots where I don't have a lot of eyebrow hair. There, fill it in, and then I go back in with this brush, this little brush, and just try to blend it in. Blend it in with the eyebrow hair. Here, so I just filled in my eyebrows a little bit. And then I'm gonna just take mascara. I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara on my eyelashes. I have tiny little eyelashes. I'm trying to zoom in so you can see, hopefully, but I don't have like really long eyelashes. So these really do bring my eyelashes out. This is the volumizing mascara that Beautycounter has. Hopefully you can see that okay. It just brings out the eyes a little bit more. And then just do the other side. See my tiny little lashes? It brings them out just a little bit more. I tried the falsies, the eyelash extensions, and it's just too much for me. I don't know, maybe next time I try the false ones, get the really short ones, but I tried them and they were just too dramatic and just, I don't know. I'm still learning which false lashes I like, but so for now I'm just doing mascara on my natural lashes. Here, so brought out my eyes a little bit more. Go over maybe one more coat. Okay, so I have on the volumizing mascara, and then you just get the little spots where you look oily with the Beautycounter's translucent powder. Anyone can use this. There's no pigment to it. It's just a mattifying powder to help get rid of oil. So I just take that, dust it a little bit, tap the excess off, and just tap it underneath my eyes just to get rid of the shine. Anywhere that I'm shining, on my forehead, my nose, just kind of all over my face. And then I finish up with the Beyond Gloss Brulee. I just put that on top of my lips. there you go. My everyday natural makeup, super natural, and it's not heavy. I have no foundation, so this is no foundation, just a little bit of mascara, the Brulee lip gloss, and the concealer. That's it, and some brow. I filled in my brows a little bit and some mascara. So this is just an everyday look that you can wear at home, going to the store. It literally took me 5 minutes. So if you guys decide to purchase any of Beautycounter's items, or if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. You can purchase any of these items from beautycounter.com/Shanae Belton. And I would greatly appreciate that. I love Beautycounter's products. They really focus on cleaner, safer beauty and skincare products. So they eliminate all harmful ingredients. So that's why I love promoting their items and using their makeup and their skincare. It really does work, and it's quality. The packaging is chic and stylish. So I just wanted to share that with you guys today, this natural makeup look that you can do at home. So that is my natural look. It's good to focus on skincare because, as you can see, I don't have any foundation on. So this, the Adaptive Moisture Lotion and the Intense Moisture Serum really helps with that, with the anti-aging and blemishes. The Counter Control is really good for blemishes. So you can have really healthy looking skin and not have to wear a lot of makeup to have your skin looking glowing. And just make sure you drink a lot of water, eat right, fruits, vegetables, make sure you're eating right so that your skin looks good, so you don't have to wear a lot of makeup, and you can just focus on feeding yourself internally and drinking lots of water so that you have healthy glowing skin. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for listening. Thanks so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.